early, so tell me you got a small penis without telling me you have a small. Sorry, mom. Sorry. We have the trackable charger. Just kidding. You can't track a charger. Can't track a charger, bro. Got limbo 10 feet. Alright, look at that lean, man. I bet you he thinks he's really cool.
I would think I was cool if I had. Here's another one. No, that's not another one.
Lovely boosted Evo. This dude scraped when he walked in. I'm sorry for not getting the footage. I know you can say how much I'm terrible in the comments. The only thing Mopar boys know how to do. We got LED headlights.
Hypnotize you.
And that's about it. What a nice build, bro. Like, listen, I want to be just like you when I grow up. This is nice. Nice. SRT. Oh, that's a cat, bro. Man brought the cat. Oh, track car. It's a track car. Oh, no, it's a 392, but still beautiful, bro.
Rhino.
So,
Fucking Predator dog.
okay. Look, we have the Predator, not the Hellcat. We have a nice Hemi right here. A beautiful 392. I don't know how I feel about. We got the C6. I don't know how I feel about the stock C6 with the underglow, but it got this. Yeah. Never
Dragon
mind.
Ball Z mobile.
350 for my sister.
Love it.
350
Love
for
it.
my sister.
Yep.
And then there's a 370 also
Love it.
for my sister. We're in the Mopar section. We have really good stuff and then also really bad stuff. Some are decent. There's a lot of decent stuff. I like this Hellcat. I like the Hellcat. I like this Evo. This Charger's alright. But you know, it's not crazy outdone. Take off the underglow.
When they have their own little miniature version of it on top of the
Oh yeah, you know what? That sells the deal. Look at that 350. You know, I do believe that's a. I thought he was gonna rev it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to say that when you're recording. His big bone motherfucker.
Shout out to this man, Z01 Mickey. What the heck was that? Do something. Alright, brake flat, take off, shoot that.
She ate the dick through my underwear. Got herself out of there. She ain't put me on manager. On my life that I
Yo, okay, so this man, we were just cruising, we weren't even going crazy. We hear a rock, and then moments later, I have a tire light. Look, So this is not the first, y'all know this is not the first time this has happened. So yeah, life, I guess. Life hates me. We're gonna change out the tire. It's like already like about to be 12 o'clock. Sorry, Mom.
I'm scared, bro. What's gonna happen?
Oh my God. Actually, he couldn't do it.
I
Guess
loosened
what?
it. I loosened it, man.
I did it. He's calling moral support. Update, it's like 1 a.m. We did get the spare on. I forgot to record that, but tomorrow we're gonna go to Discount Tire and hopefully it's an easy free patch, but that's the one I also had a hole in it a while ago, and I don't personally feel safe driving a tire with 2 patches on it, but yeah. Catch you tomorrow in the morning. What up, guys? So my sister's behind me in the 370, and sadly we're not racing again. There's a video of that coming out very, very soon, but so we went to the car meet, and as you know, like, yeah, we got a flat. Oh, that's a nice C6. But anyways, we got a flat. So I pulled over, and it was basically right before we got home anyways. We were already right about to exit. I hit a rock, and then like 5 seconds later, the air light comes on. So I pull over, and even with the car and idling and still on, and I was just in park, you could still like hear the shh, just like all the air letting out of the tire. So I was stressed out, and so like then we get out, we jack the car up, and then yeah, it is what it is. I'm probably gonna end up buying 2 whole new tires anyways, because if y'all remember,